Cleanliness and hygiene are essential for espresso machine maintenance. Your Conti NG-C comes equipped with a semi-automatic cleaning cycle. Before cleaning, finish making coffees for the day, empty your portafilters and soak the metal parts only in a solution of espresso machine cleaner and hot water. Before soaking your portafilters, make sure to remove the baskets. While these soak, let's clean the group heads. Start by pressing button 5 to rinse the group until the water runs clear. Then, take a basket out of a spare portafilter and replace it with a cleaning blank. Place your cleaning product inside of the blank and lock your portafilter into the group head. Then press and hold button 5 and press button 1 at the same time. You are now in the cleaning menu. Press button 1 for the group you're cleaning to start the cycle. The machine will now deliver 10 short pulses and 1 long pulse to clean the group. Once the cycle has finished, remove the portafilter and using a stiff brush, clean the shower plate and surrounding recess. Then this time, without cleaning product, insert the portafilter with the cleaning blank and press button 1 to start the cleaning cycle again. This time to rinse the group of any remaining cleaning products. Once the cycle has finished again, remove the portafilter and wipe the group using a clean cloth or paper towel. Please be careful, as the group will be hot. This concludes the group cleaning. This should be carried out daily at the end of service. Let's now return to the portafilters. The solution should have taken effect now. You can remove them from the container, wipe them clean, then rinse them using clean water. Do the same for the baskets. And you can now return the basket into the portafilter. Finally, the NG-C has a mandatory cleaning function. This setting will disable the group heads at a set time each day and will enable them again upon completion of a full cleaning cycle. To set up mandatory cleaning, on the left side keypad, press and hold button 5 and press button 3 at the same time to enter Eco mode. Then press button 5 to access the main menu. Scroll right until you highlight the cup icon and press button 5 to access the coffee quality menu. Then scroll down until the number 5 is on the same line as mandatory clean and press button 5 to edit. You can now turn on the setting with button 5, scroll down to the digital clock, then press button 5 to set the time. When you're happy with the time, press button 3 4 times to go back to Eco mode. Then, after the menu guide clears, press button 3 to exit Eco mode. This concludes the cleaning of the Conti NG-C. For more tutorials that you might find useful, why not visit the NG-C playlist on our YouTube channel.